That's your present. That's it over there. Go and get it. Mummy might...
Do you want that one?
He was pointing at that one on the screen. Yay, what's that?
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to open it.
That's to Joseph from Mommy and Daddy.
You're going to open it. Mummy, you're going to get in and help him.
Of course. Joseph?
It's gone. Where's it gone?
Come here. Sit with me. Sit with me. Hi. What's in there? That's a card to you from Mommy and Daddy. Do you want me to take it off? I'll take it off. I might need scissors for that. Uh-oh, wait a second. Oh, that's hard. All right, now, is there anything in there? What do you see in here? Maybe that's all he wanted was a card. Oh, there's something in there. Oh, it fell. What's in there? Open it up. Can you open it up? Yeah. I think you need two hands. Open it up. Can you open it? Open it. You just want the sticker. Ooh. But there's something more. Sticker. Is there something more in here? Joseph. What's that? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Does that beat the sticker? What do you think?
What is it, Joseph? What is it?
Here, I'll take the sticker off.
All the blood's rushing to its head. Turn it up the other way. What is it? Joseph?
What's that?
Is it a horse? Nay! Nay!
Hey!
Yeah, it's a horse. Is that your sign for a horse? Yeah. Nay! Nay! Yeah. It's a horse.
Do you want to see what else is in here?
The horse.
Horse.
Yay! Joseph? Are you happy with that? Thank you, Mummy. Ah, can Daddy have a hug?
And then maybe Joseph could open the second thing.
Can Daddy have a hug? Ah, thank you. Ah. Give Mummy a kiss. You're gonna give Mummy a kiss.
Oh, he's signing horse.
Horse.
Would you like to open something else in there? There's something else in there. Oh! What else is there?
I think he's getting the idea of this. First present, and he's looking to see what else there is. Where's that $50 note? He's happy with the horse. Horse. Yay!
Joseph!
No, he's just happy with the one present.
Okay.
We'll send all the rest back. What's the horse's name?
We've got to make sure Bo does not get that. Oh, thank you. You want to open this? You can open that.
What's in that? Is it another horse? Yeah.
Hi. He just wants the wrapping.
Go and help him open up.
Joseph. Do you like your sticker? Look at that. Do you want to see if there's something else in there? You know what'll happen tomorrow? He'll play with all the wrappings. Oh, you want the sticker to stick on you. I'll have to find some other stickers and we'll put them on you. Think there might be something in there? Want to try it? Ah. Oh. I don't know. What's that? Look at that.
It's another horse. Nay. Nay.
Oh.
Two horses.
Look at that. What is it, Joseph? Nay. You don't know? Yeah. A horse. And this? A horse. He needed a friend. Yeah. Yeah. What are you looking for? It's stuck. It's on Mommy's hand.
Is that a fish?
Fish.
Is it a cat? No, is it a dog?
I think they're horses. Horses.
Is it chicken? Chicken? What?
You made him hungry. He's going to the kitchen again.
We've just eaten.